As Columbia Sportswear, our passion is to connect active people with their passions. We're an outdoor company. We live and breathe outdoors, being on Microsoft solutions. That's given us the ability that we never had. We have Azure, the backbone, our heart and lungs of our data. We went live for our retail operations with Microsoft Dynamics 365. It added capacity, it drastically improved checkout speed, and then the pandemic arrived. COVID-19 had a ripple effect on all facets of the business, all our consumers, and the global economy at large. So we had to put in new processes in place very, very quickly. Make sure that we're in compliance with local regulations that keep our communities, our associates, and our customers safe.
What might have previously taken a 9-month project, they're turning around in 3 weeks. We have, during the pandemic, woken up on Saturday morning and said, okay, we need to adjust before our East Coast stores open, and we've been able to do that.
Dynamics 365 gives us a stable platform to execute our long-term strategies.
Now the foundation has been laid out. Now we start machine learning, so artificial intelligence, so that we can have a more accurate inventory and we can have a very touchless checkout.
We have installed Microsoft Connected Store to try to understand the consumer path, the dwell time, how they're interacting with our product and our technology. With Dynamics 365 Commerce, we have realized that technology does not need to move as slowly as we previously thought it did. It can move faster.